When life don't knock you down, no stay there. You don't reach that point where it be like say life don't tire you, where everything just dey scatter, and you dey ask yourself, God, wetin really dey happen for my life? My brother, my sister, you no dey alone. All of us don pass through that kind of wahala, when body weak, when eye don see things, and hope don dey small fade. But make I tell you something, falling no mean say you fail. It just means say you still dey breathe, you still dey alive. And as long as breath still dey your body, hope still dey. Life go test you, life go shake you, but e no fit break you except you choose say you no go rise again. Bible talk am for Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. But them we wait for the Lord go renew their strength. Them go fly like eagle. Them go run, them no go tire. Them go waka, them no go faint. You see God still dey give new strength. No matter how e be, no matter how ground don't hold you, you fit still rise again. So lift your head up, wipe your tears. Tell yourself this one no go end me. Every delay wey you dey see now fit just be God preparing you for better thing. Every pain, every tear na step to your breakthrough. No stay for ground, my person. Rise again, because your comeback go big pass your setback. You strong pass wetin you dey go through. And the sweet part be say God never finish with you yet.
This na Greywood Whispers. Voice wey no loud, but get sense.